Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to grow microgreens in the comfort of your own home. Microgreens are a great way to add a fresh burst of flavor to your dishes, and they are packed with nutrients. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to get started. The first step to growing microgreens is choosing the right seeds. You'll want to look for seeds that are labeled specifically for microgreens, as these tend to be easier to grow. Some popular options include arugula, radish, and kale. You can purchase these seeds online or at your local gardening store. Once you have your seeds, it's time to prepare the soil. You'll want to use a high-quality seed starting mix, which you can also find at your local gardening store. Fill your growing trays with the soil and moisten it with water. You'll want the soil to be damp but not soaking wet. Next, it's time to plant the seeds. Sprinkle the seeds evenly over the soil, making sure to cover the entire surface. You don't need to worry about spacing them out too much, as microgreens will be harvested before they can grow very large. Press the seeds gently into the soil to ensure good contact and mist them with water. To grow the microgreens, you'll want to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Place the growing trays in a warm and sunny spot, such as a windowsill or under a grow light. After a few days, you should start to see the seeds germinating. You can continue to mist them with water as needed. Once your microgreens are about 1 to 2 inches tall, you can start to harvest them. Use a pair of scissors to snip off the leaves just above the soil level. Rinse them thoroughly and pat them dry. Microgreens are great in salads, sandwiches, and as a garnish. Enjoy!